District Rider here, and I'm showing you my BMX bike. We'll start from the top. I got my handlebars, they're black. I have no idea what kind they are. I got some laser skin grips, Sin's brake handle, and then got Sin's headset, all that. Sin stand for Suck in Nut Zebras. Got some bombshell forks. Gold, pretty awesome, really light. Got some gold bombshell wheels with some Supercross tires, Holy Rollers. That's what they're like, awesome tires. I got some Odyssey seat. I got a pink GHP. GHP stands for Penis Hopping Gigs. Got some Synth cranks. I got a chain, it's a Synth chain. Got a rocket gear. I have tape on it because I don't like to share my gear, and everybody likes to look at it because I'm really fast. I got time pedals. They're really good. They haven't broke yet. I've had how many pairs of Shimano's and they've all broken. Got another bombshell wheel on the back. Bombshell hubs. They sound pretty cool. I got some Sin's chain tensioners, Sin's brakes. Yeah, and then I got a number plate. I'm number 1, like a stunner. And cameraman number 69.
Actually, I'm number 8
Whatever.
for points, and he's number 1 because he goes out of town everywhere and he's fast. There's me toes.
If you want me to do a video on anything else, please comment. And that's about it. See you later.
Comment down below, down there. Goodbye.